Hello everyone, I'm Lulu. Welcome to Lulu's AI Daily Brief, your tech intelligence brief. Here's today's latest AI news for August 13, 2026. We have 12 stories. Let's get into it. Here's your quick overview. Coming up, massive supply chain attack on LiteLLM leaks 434K CI/CD credentials. Anthropic rolls out global invisible watermark for all Claude outputs, EU AI Act compliance or overreach, Fable 5 adoption stalls, just 6% token share versus GPT-5.6 Sol's 25%, price ceiling confirmed, Claude Cowork arrives in Chrome sidebar, full skills and plugins now browser native. And more in today's 12-story brief. Let's dive in. A massive supply chain attack has hit the AI developer ecosystem. LiteLLM, a widely used open-source AI routing tool, was compromised on PyPI for just 40 minutes, and in that window, malicious versions stole over 434,000 CI/CD pipeline credentials from more than 2,500 organizations, including Microsoft and Amazon. The breach exploited upstream vulnerabilities in Trivy and affected critical infrastructure like cloud keys and Kubernetes secrets, raising urgent questions about trust in AI toolchains. Anthropic has become the first major AI firm to implement EU AI Act watermarks globally, not just in Europe, and it's applying them to all Claude outputs, even simple grammar edits. But here's the catch: the watermark isn't foolproof. It's invisible, probabilistic, and vanishes if you copy-paste, screenshot, or strip metadata. Worse, it can mislabel human-edited content as AI-generated, forcing enterprises to overhaul their content review workflows. Here's hard evidence that the frontier AI price bubble may be bursting. Anthropic's new Fable 5 accounts for just 6% of enterprise token consumption on ramp, while OpenAI's GPT-5.6 Sol takes 25%. With Fable 5 priced at $10 per million input tokens and $50 for output, nearly twice the competition, this data suggests businesses won't pay premium prices without clear, measurable value in daily workflows. By the way, if this brief helps, please subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a daily update. Anthropic just brought Claude Cowork into your Chrome sidebar, fully supporting skills, plugins, and connectors right inside the browser. It can now interact with live web pages, clicking buttons, filling forms, pulling data, and exporting reports to Excel or PowerPoint. But there's a serious caveat: Anthropic warns this version remains vulnerable to prompt injection attacks, so don't use it for banking, healthcare, or any sensitive logins. xAI's Grok 4.6 just leveled up, scoring 61 points on the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index, tying OpenAI's GPT-5.6 Sol head-to-head. But the real shocker? Its API costs just $2 per million input tokens and $6 for output, more than 60% cheaper than top-tier rivals. In GDeepVal AAV2 testing, Grok 4.6 completed complex tasks in just 53 steps versus Claude Opus 5's 103, making it not just cheaper, but dramatically faster for real work. SpaceX AI just launched Grok Bot, a bold new AI agent that doesn't just chat, but logs into your actual accounts. It runs in a secure cloud environment, executes multi-step workflows like filing reports or syncing tools, and even collaborates with other bots in shared contexts. Right now, it's only available to Super Grok Heavy and Cursor Ultra subscribers, with teams and enterprises stuck on a wait list until further notice. Alibaba just open-sourced Qwen 3.8-2.4T, a 2.4 trillion parameter mixture of experts model with native support for 262,000 tokens, expandable to 1 million. Even more impressive, it's already day zero ready on 9 different AI chips, from Huawei's Ascend to more threads, thanks to Flag OS, which delivers BF16, FP8, and INT8 versions. And through smart W8A8 quantization, even older hardware without FP8 support can run it, extending the life of existing AI infrastructure. Qualcomm just made a landmark move in AI infrastructure, acquiring Modular, the company behind the Mojo programming language and Max engine. Crucially, Modular's products remain independent, and its co-founder Chris Lattner, the legendary architect of LLVM and Swift, is now Qualcomm's executive VP of advanced AI software. His mission? To build a unified AI development stack that works seamlessly across CPUs, GPUs, NPUs, and custom chips, from edge to cloud. Twitch just added an AI training opt-out, but buried in the settings is a critical detail. It's opt-** and * by default. That means unless you manually flip the switch, Amazon keeps using your streams, clips, chats, and channel art to train its AI models. This has been happening for at least 2 years, and the new setting only blocks future training, not past or ongoing model updates. Google DeepMind just shipped ASL-to-English, the first production hand-signing AI integrated directly into a consumer phone. On Pixel 11, it powers real-time ASL-to-English transcription in Gboard and Live Transcribe. Privacy-first design means only skeletal keypoints are uploaded, raw video is deleted instantly. And with a 70 blurt score on the FLIR's ASL benchmark, it's the strongest publicly reported performance yet for zero-shot sign translation. A leaked list reveals DeepSeek's strategic shift. Its Harness internal test program is overwhelmingly focused on agent infrastructure, not flashy apps. Around 70% of selected projects tackle engineering bottlenecks like secure execution sandboxes, intelligent task routing, and multi-agent budget controls. Projects like OpenAI and Team suggest DeepSeek is betting big on making agentic AI safe, reliable, and cost-accountable, not just smarter. OpenAI has finally released an official ChatGPT Linux desktop client, supporting Ubuntu, Debian, and Fedora via .deb and .rpm packages. It brings the full ChatGPT interface, built-in browser, and voice control to Linux, but critically, it does not support native computer use. So no automating GIMP, LibreOffice, or other desktop apps yet. Developers still need CLI or IDE extensions for true workflow automation. That's all for today's Lulu's AI Daily Brief. If this was helpful, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and like this video. I'm Lulu. See you tomorrow.